Hey, what's up guys, this is Roman here, and our smartphones these days, it's all in one. It has a camera, a video camera, and so on. So my phone is not new, it's Galaxy S6, and it has a cool feature, slow motion. So I decided to make a couple of video tests, and we'll see how it's gonna look. So here's a couple of tips. I'm pretty sure most of you already know how to film in slow-mo. So you just open your camera in your phone. So you go to the mode right here. I don't know if you can see. There you go. So there are different modes here. Usually it's set on automatic or on auto. So there's a slow motion button right over here. So you hit that and that's it. It says slow motion right there. You just press this button to start filming in slow motion. So when you open the video on your phone, you can adjust where the slow motion starts or where it ends right here. So when you set your slow motion points from start to finish, when you're going to transfer this video to your computer, it's not going to be in slow motion. So you have to hit export, and it's going to move this file into video editor. So when you're going to connect your phone to the computer, go to DCIM, click that. So this is, it says camera right there. So when you click here, it's going to show all your videos and pictures that you have in your phone. But since we need only slow motion, that we just transferred into the video editor. So you open that, and there you go. There's going to be that video that you will be able to copy and paste to your computer in slow motion.